Hello everyone. So I'm Sarthak from Team-Bisleri and my fellow teammates are Rinki Adhana and Samardeep Singh. The name of our project is ShopNXT. So let's talk about the problem statement, the problems we are solving first of all. So there have been a document that have been released recently that shows that out of 10 lakh sellers on Amazon, only 35 sellers make the most sales. And out of them, only two retailers generate 35% of total sales revenue. How crazy is that? It's like those two retailers are dominating the market, which is very unhealthy, by the way. So, those two retailers were directly or indirectly related to Amazon. And this have been seen that Amazon not only favors those sellers, but also copies product, like as in whatever the product is, MVP at that time, Amazon copies that product. Then it promotes its own private labels which are selling those products. The private labels may directly or indirectly be connected to it, Amazon. And also since Amazon is the site is of its Amazon's own, so it also manipulates search results. And the only two giants in industry in India right now are Amazon and Flipkart, with Amazon leading the market. So it's as if Amazon have created a monopoly and there's no competitor for them right now, which is very unhealthy again. Now, also the problems that consumers face are quality issues. Many times, the whatever the consumer is ordering from an online or e-commerce platform, the product comes to be of less quality or inferior quality from the one advertised in the e-commerce platform. Along with that, there's a delivery issue going on right now. As you may or may not have heard from many social media sites that the whatever the user is ordering the product that arrives at the user's home is something else. And if you are not ordering from these e-commerce giants, then the delivery cost comes out to be very high. Now, along with that, the retailers are also, hit by this. There's been seen that more than 70% of Indian shoppers agreed that they've shopped more online since the pandemic than offline. It is released, it was released in an article from it. Now let's talk about what are we making. So our mission is to provide a platform for those retailers that are provide or that are offline, to give them a platform to come online and visibility, increase their visibility. Along with that, break this monopoly of Amazon by creating a space for us of ourselves. Now, what we've also seen is that with increase in years, like in 2019, the revenue generated by those e-commerce sites was around 50 billion, and now in 2023 it's more than 100 billion. It almost doubled in a span of 3 years. And the users, it has seen a huge boom in users. In 2019 there were about 100 million users, and currently in 2023 it's almost 250 million users, and that too only in India. Now let's talk about us, the solution we are bringing on the table, the problems that we are solving. So we are ShopNext. We provide a platform, an e-commerce platform that is, visible and that is accessible by all. First of all, now let's assume there is a market, Lajpat Nagar market in Delhi, and a user is sitting in Rohini. Now, both of these places comes under Delhi. So, if a user order from Rohini from a Lajpat Nagar market, he can or she can do it online with only a couple of taps. Now it gives them those markets a huge opportunity because they are feeling very high competition on Amazon, Flipkart, and along with that they are facing unfair competitions. Now what happens is, for user, it gives them a variety of options. They can order from different market, different retailers, and different products entirely. And since we are providing a local delivery system, like We for if a user is accessing our website, there will be an X radius under which whichever market falls can be accessed by that user. Now, since it's in constraint, the amount, the distance is constrained, we can provide real-time delivery status, just like you do in Amazon, Swiggy and Zomato. You can track where your order is. We can do that too. Now, let's talk about our solutions more deeply. Our features. Shop by location, as I said. Now we've implemented with the help of Maps API, Google's Map API, we've implemented the map feature in our website too. Now you can scroll around, you can move around the Google map in our website to see different shops and access different retailers. Now in future, we are also going to implement a 3D model of this to provide a greater accessibility, feasibility, and visibility of the shops. Now we can also leverage it Google's Map API to show ratings that are on Google itself and increasing the overall trust and the credibility of the retailers. Now with that, we are also providing real-time tracking and a faster delivery. Since the products are ordered locally, resulting in a way faster delivery and real-time tracking status, it is made possible due to the same reason. Now let's talk about a business model. So we are, usually dealing in three kind of business models. First is an order fee. Whenever user order from our platform, we'll charge a 3 to 7% order fee, depending upon the retailer and the product. And we are also taking a listing fee. Whenever a retailer lists a product on our platform, we take a little minimal amount of fee from them. And also there's an onboarding fee. Whenever user comes on board, whenever consumer comes on board with us, we take a very minimal amount of fee from them too. Now, let's talk about delivery because e-commerce is all big talks unless and until you crack this delivery system. Now, let's talk about how money is breakdown. There's supposed to be a map sort of here. It will take some time to load. So, we've done a lot of research on this. We've calculated the inventory cost, the employee cost of security employee, and the delivery cost, the petrol, the delivery charges, the hiring a delivery partner, so and so. And we've calculated if we are able to reach 40 orders per day from a particular area, we will become profitable. As easy as that. For example, if I have to give you an example, if someone's like there's an area called Mayur Vihar, and there are many different market around it in Delhi also. Now, in Mayur Vihar, we need to hit the target of 40 orders per day. Around that, and we are profitable. Boom. Now let's talk about uh, our website. So this is our website. ShopNXT, the logo here, and the map system, the map, availability was talking about. You can access different shops and view different reviews and view their products in the map also, giving a easier way to reach the shops. And here are the products. A retailer can list them very easily. It's a very three-step onboarding process, and this is the banner. Now let's see the about page. So there's this about page about us. So we are this, and this. We are e-commerce platform revolutionizing how people interact with e-commerce websites. Now let's see how shop works. So a user have this feature to access the shop by two ways. One is how this is working by category. You can access products from different category. And second is access products by location. You can view different markets, click on a market, you will see different retailers in that market, click on whatever retailer you want to, and if you want to buy from your trusted retailer, you can do that too. So that's it from our side. We are ShopNXT, creating and giving a new definition to how e-commerce platform works. Thank you.